Good morning from Salzburg, Austria. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Morgan and I have been traveling through Europe with my family, with my mom and my brother and my sister. We've been in Europe for about 2 weeks now. We went to Switzerland and all over Italy, and now we are in Austria. It's our first full day here. We're kind of just exploring the city today, doing some shopping and some sightseeing. We're on our way to Salzburg Cathedral right now. They play the organs every day at noon, which I'm really excited about. It's gonna be beautiful. It's free for ages 18 and under, but it's only like €9 a person for adults. So we're gonna go do that. We already got our tickets. And then we're gonna hit up some of the filming locations from The Sound of Music. It's my mom's favorite movie, and it's actually a big reason we picked Salzburg. So we're gonna be going to Mirabell Gardens and the fountain from the Abbey in the beginning of the movie is over by the cathedral. And yeah, just exploring the town a bit today. Hope you guys enjoy. See you soon.
The first place we found of the filming sites in Salzburg here. When Maria is first told to go to the Von Trapp family to take care of the kids, she is reluctant and she's singing a song, trying to boost herself up. I have confidence, and she walks past this fountain and splashes, and it's one of the things in the movie.
Nice. Wow, the organs were beautiful. If you're in Salzburg, definitely go check that out. And the church itself was so beautiful. We are heading to Mirabell Gardens now. I'm so excited. We just watched The Sound of Music too. Where are we, Mad?
We are at Mirabell Gardens, and this is where they frolicked.
This is where the children frolicked and played and sang. Needle pulling thread, a note to follow, so tea, a drink with jam and bread that will bring us back to dough. Woo! We found the statue, the kind of creepy statue. These are all kind of weird statues, but it's really cool. It's very different.
The hills are alive.